I have checked everything, sir, and it's definitely the carburetor. Everything else has been found fine. The battery is fully charged, the ignition plug is alright, it gives out a nice spark. But what's the carburetor to do with the starting trouble? Oh, it's everything to do, sir. It's here that the mixture is ignited. But the mixture is ignited, isn't it? Yes, but probably the mixture doesn't burn long enough to start the engine. And sometimes even when the engines get started, it soon runs down since the supply of fuel is cut off. Okay, I will take your word for it. Start working on it right away. Can you give the scooter back to me in 2 hours? I don't think I can, sir, but I will certainly try. By the way, what will be your charge? Not much, sir. It all be only 50 rupees. 50 rupees? But it's only a minor repair. It is a major repair, sir. The carburetor has to be cleaned up. The parts around have to be cleaned up too. And then the carburetor has to be adjusted. This will mean a lot of trial and error. 2 of my boys will be busy handling me tools and things. Oh, you make the work sound so heavy and complicated. I just don't make it sound so. It is heavy and complicated. Alright, do it then please. Right away, sir.